Methane burn in excess oxygen. The equation is given. Methane reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. This is the methane displayed formula. 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. So 4 bonds is for methane. Contains 4 carbon hydrogen bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Methane has 4 carbon hydrogen bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you know oxygen is always oxygen double bond. 2 mole of oxygen. Carbon dioxide, you know, carbon oxygen double bond. Carbon oxygen double bond. There are 2 carbon oxygen double bond in carbon dioxide. And water, 1 oxygen, 2 hydrogen. So 1 mole water contains 2 oxygen hydrogen bond, 2 mole contains 4 oxygen hydrogen bond. Now you are given bond energies are given. Carbon oxygen double bond value 805 kilojoule per mole. Carbon hydrogen bond 4110 kilojoule per mole. Oxygen double bond 496 kilojoule per mole. And oxygen hydrogen bond 460 kilojoule per mole. You are asking what is the energy change for this reaction? What is the enthalpy for this reaction? And you see reactants, left hand side is the reactant. Methane and oxygen are reactant, and carbon dioxide and water are products. And in reactants, you know, bonds are broken. In products, bonds are formed, bonds are made. So first you will calculate bonds broken or bonds break. And bonds break in reactant. There are 2 reactant here. One is methane, other is oxygen. So bonds broken, there are 4 carbon hydrogen bond, CH4. If you write displayed formula, you will get there are 4 carbon hydrogen bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 410. Carbon hydrogen bond enthalpy is given 410. So 4 times 410 plus 2 mole of oxygen. You know, oxygen is double bond. There are 2 oxygen double bond. 2 times oxygen double bond value is given 496. 2 times 496. So if you calculate, you will get 2632 kilojoule. This is the bond broken energy. Bond is break in reactants, so you will add all reactants energy. Now bonds made or bonds are formed. Products, in products bonds are made, bonds are formed. So you see here one product is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, carbon oxygen double bond, 1 bond, and carbon oxygen double bond. There are 2 carbon oxygen double bond. In carbon dioxide, there are 2 carbon oxygen double bond. 2 carbon oxygen double bond. So bonds made 2 times 805. You see carbon oxygen double bond is given 805. 2 times 805 plus 2 mole water. 1 mole water contains 1 OH bond plus 1 OH bond. 1 mole water contains 2 oxygen hydrogen bond. So if 2 mole water, 2 times 2, there are 4 oxygen hydrogen bond in 2 mole water. Now 4 times 1 mole water contains 2 oxygen hydrogen bonds, so 2 mole contain 2 times 2 4 times 460 is given in oxygen hydrogen bond energy 460 kilojoule. So if you calculate, you get 3450 kilojoule. So bonds broken total energy 2632 kilojoule and bonds made total energy 3450 kilojoule. Now what you are asking, what is the enthalpy change or energy change for this reaction? Enthalpy change or energy change delta H, this is expressed by del H equal bond broken energy minus bond form energy. So bond broken is in reactant energy 2632 minus 3450 kilojoule. So if you subtract, you will get minus 818 kilojoule per mole, as delta H value is negative. So this is an exothermic reaction. And you know what is exothermic reaction? Exothermic reaction is a reaction in which heat energy is given out, and for this reaction delta H value is negative. So minus 818 kilojoule per mole is the answer of this delta H enthalpy change. So methane burned with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. Bond and their bond energies value is given. So at first you will add all reactants, means all bond broken energy you will add, then you will do bonds form or bonds made total energy you count. After that you will calculate enthalpy change. Delta H will be bond broken energy minus bond form energy, then you will get enthalpy of this reaction.